I'm Travis Zerie with Regina House Leveling. This is Hector Reese. Today we're going to talk a little bit about telepost adjustments and doing a survey. So when I first do the quote, I got to look for a couple of things. We got to make sure that your walls are floated. We got to make sure that they're accessible, that we can get to the adjusters, and sometimes they're not even, you don't even know that they're there. They're inside the walls and we got to find them. So once I come up with the game plan, I can give you an actual quote. It's hard to do on the phone. Come by for a free estimate and we'll go from there. First step, once we get started, is to do the survey, the laser level, see how the house is sitting. If it's out 2 inches front to back, we want to see a 1 inch drop to the main beam and a 1 inch drop to the outside edge that is dropped. So we'll get started with some adjustments. Okay, after 47 3/4,
47 inches.
49 1/2.
4 feet, 48 inches. Perfect.
Okay, so after surveying the house, we found out that the long way, the house is higher on that side by 3 inches than that side. So we got 3 teleposts, we got 4 spacings in between the teleposts. So we want to do, that side's the highest, we want to do a 3/4 inch drop on each telepost until we get to the lower side. That gives us a straight slope. That's about the best we can do unless we are to excavate and actually lift the foundation. 2 to 3 inches is kind of the gray area of how much of a drop you can stand without noticing it. Anything after that, I would then recommend underpinning where we put piles in and lift the foundation. So for this one, we're going to come up with a game plan to lower the telepost slowly over the course of probably 2 months. This is a good house to show what floating walls are, so I'll show you that now. So when we bring down the joist, essentially that's what we're doing by lowering the telepost, and it's lowering the main beam. The joists sit on the main beam. So what we got to make sure we have is float. So this area of void that rides on this spike is called float. You can have it on the top of the studs, or at the bottom of the studs, the partition walls. But the newer style houses, they do it at the bottom. In the 80s and before that, you'll see it at the top, or sometimes you won't see anything at all, and you'll have to come in and float the walls. But what we're looking for is a void, so when we lower the joists, that the partition walls don't hold the joists up. That's what this void is for, floating walls. Old style post, and we can provide more thread because it was right out of thread, as you can see. We can't take it down at all. So all this stuff is where I have to come by and take a look at things to give you an actual quote. So if you're noticing any slope floors, cracks around the doorways are usually a good tattletale sign, or heaves in the floor, doors not shutting properly, give us a call, Regina House Leveling. We'll come out. It's nothing for us to come out and give you a free estimate, and we'll go from there. Thank you.